Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, meal prep on a budget. Meal prepping is a great way to save time and money during the week, and with a little planning and creativity, you can make delicious meals without breaking the bank. So, let's get started. The first step in meal prepping on a budget is to do some strategic grocery shopping. Look for sales, coupons, and discounted items, and plan your meals around what's on special. For example, this week, chicken breasts are on sale, so I'm going to plan my meals around that. And remember, buying in bulk can also save you money in the long run. Once you've done your grocery shopping, it's time to start meal prepping. I like to start by prepping my protein, which in this case is chicken. I'm going to season and grill it, and then portion it out into containers for the week. This way, I have a healthy protein source ready to go for all my meals. Next up, I'm going to prep my vegetables. I like to choose a variety of colorful veggies, such as bell peppers, carrots, and broccoli, which are not only healthy, but also add great flavor and texture to my meals. I'm going to chop them up and roast them in the oven, and then portion them out into containers. Finally, I'm going to prep my grains. I like to choose a variety of grains, such as quinoa, brown rice, and couscous, which are all healthy and affordable. I'm going to cook them up in bulk, and then portion them out into containers. And there you have it, a week's worth of healthy and delicious meals prepped and ready to go. By prepping your meals in advance, you'll save time and money during the week, and you'll be less likely to rely on takeout or fast food. So, let's take a look at some of the meals I prepped. Here, I have a chicken and vegetable stir-fry with brown rice, a chicken and quinoa bowl with roasted vegetables, and a chicken and couscous salad with mixed greens. These meals are all flavorful, nutritious, and most importantly, affordable. Thanks for watching. And I hope this video has inspired you to try meal prepping on a budget. Remember, with a little planning and creativity, you can make healthy and delicious meals without spending a lot of money. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more meal prep tips and ideas. See you in the next video.